Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
Ooh, Vespa. Cool. So yeah, this yacht club. So the people that live here, and at least in these ones anyways, will have access to these docks. And yeah, this road looks like it's going to kind of angle like this way, and I think they're going to create a giant waterfront area. I think that's what their plan is altogether. And look at that view. It's not very often that you can walk in the middle of the road. Okay, this right here, this is new, brand new. I'm gonna try to explain it a little bit. Just to give you some context, that's Galaxy Casino, all of that. Broadway Casino's down this way. This is called Cotai Marina. There's a marina right here. There's several hotels right in that corner, and a lot of construction everywhere. And that's the type of village right here. And what we're gonna do is walk down this street and kind of see what we can see. Let's see what's, it's all kind of changing quickly, so we're gonna try to capture it on film. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. A lot of noisy right here. Ambulance goes by. So yeah, this bridge right here, these are both new. This one just opened up about a month ago. It takes traffic to Koloan. And what we're gonna do is follow this, because it also goes to Saivan Bridge. And then it follows the water. So what we're gonna do is just go down a little ways and just see what the waterfront looks like. It is noisy in here too. So right over here is kind of a yacht club. So you can see this goes all the way down, and there's like several hotels. We're gonna see them again from this spot. So let's just walk up a little bit and try to navigate. So, okay. Ooh, Vespa. Cool. So yeah, this yacht club. So the people that live here, and at least in these ones anyways, will have access to these docks. And they're also building a separate road. This road is parallel with the other road up there. So I don't know exactly how they're gonna do this. And I think as you can see, it's all still like new. So I don't even know how this is gonna look exactly yet. But yeah, that's the Cotai Yacht Club. This is the yacht area. That's a hotel. There's 3 hotels in that area. The one is an old one, that kind of brownish, shorter one. Is it's been there for at least 10 years, maybe 20 years, I don't know. And then the other 2 right behind it are kind of very, very new. They came up during COVID. And then these 2 right here, I think, are apartments. So these 2 are apartments, kind of high end, I believe. And then you have the yacht club access. So all these people will have access right across from Galaxy Casino. And then it looks like this road looks like a 4-way road, huh? This is very, very new. They've been working on this area for a while, and it's just kind of curious what they're gonna do with it. Huh, very interesting. Over here, there's a buildings, these roads are kind of lifting people up so they can avoid some of the traffic. And what's interesting is there's a jockey club right over there. That whole thing is not going to be in existence for much longer. Its contract is done. So that means that this is pretty cool. That means that they could actually technically do something totally different. Like maybe they could have this be a boardwalk. This could be the main road, possibly, and then they could do something totally different with the road over there, and then have those bridges that kind of move people. I don't know. Not sure how they're going to do it yet. A lot of possibilities. So the jockey club is horse racing. So that green building and the brown building are both part of the jockey club horse racing. And yeah, this road looks like it's going to kind of angle like this way, and I think they're going to create a giant waterfront area. I think that's what their plan is altogether. And look at that view. So you got the Galaxy Casino. It's hard, like I've been living here for 10 years, so this is my first time on this view because this is all brand new construction. So it's quite interesting to see something new that's going to change the landscape of the city. And I think that this is going to go like around like that and go down, but it kind of leads to question to, you know, what is this going to be right here? So they kind of built a bay for that yacht area, and then later I guess they'll have actual yachts and boats out front for the people that live in those yacht villa area. And then this one, will that be open to tourists or locals? Will they create some kind of businesses here in the future? So a lot of questions to ask about that. I can see a ship in the distance going through here, which is also interesting too, because, you know, technically people could come into Taipa and Macau through this waterway, so they could easily there's a couple of dogs right there. I hope those dogs aren't tutorial dogs. There's like 3 of them. There's a dog there. 1, 2, 3. They're all sleeping. So that would actually make this one a place you would not want to trespass at all. Look at that. There's a road down that way. And there's a lot of trash. I don't know what the trash is from. Oh lordy. It's not very often that you can walk in the middle of the road. Huh. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk down. Looks like there's a access to this waterfront right there, and I think that's all kind of mangrove kinds of stuff. It's prohibited to occupy it. Let's kind of go over here and see what they're gonna do over here. It looks like they're also flattening this out, and they're probably gonna put some structures on here, I believe. So we'll see how that looks in the future too. So yeah, someday this will all look different. Don't know what it'll be like. And I don't think the street even has a name yet either. Huh. So yeah, it's kind of exciting being in Macau and seeing all the formation of new things, you know. So it looks like what's going to happen next is I think this is going to connect to the waterfront over here, and I think in the future they're going to try to have this nice waterfront all the way down, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Huh. There's a bunch of green guardrails over there. So I don't know. Oh, they're putting those up. I think this road is going to be ready to go pretty soon. So what we're going to do next is we're just going to walk along this and just kind of see how it connects to the waterfront. And then we'll get a better idea of what it's going to look like in the future. And I think later we're going to do a new video where we walk down that way. Huh. Yeah, there's actually a wall right there. There's a wall, but there's like mangroves on the other side. So I don't know exactly. Don't know exactly how they're going to do this. And then yeah, this actually connects to a waterfront park. Huh. This is all relatively new. I think these trees are relatively new as well. These all would have went down in the typhoons for sure. So I'm pretty sure they just put them up kind of recently. You got this whole little waterfront to walk and go down. And I can see the mangroves and such all the way down. So I think this is kind of like a nice ecological barrier. I think they kind of need this because of the way the river brings soot and such down. If they cleared it out, they'd have to maybe build like a cement foundation or something like that, which is what they did to other places to reclaim land. And so anyways, that's basically this is another little slice of Macau. So we started way down there, followed that path, down by that area right down there. So okay, hope you liked it. 2024, let's check out Macau. Come on.